Here's the 3-in-1 DVR video recorder for your car. It has 3 lenses. The first lens here captures everything inside your car. You can turn it any angle, 360 degrees. The second lens at the back captures everything in front of your car, while the third lens here, you mount it at the back of your car. It records everything happening at the back of your car. This is how it looks like when you mount it on your center mirror. You can see. Then you run the power source down to the cigarette lighter, and then the second camera for the back goes down all the way to the back, connected to the back. The moment you turn on your ignition, it powers on, and then this starts recording. The lens at the back here starts recording, and the third one for the back starts recording automatically. You don't need to do anything. Just turn on your ignition and it starts recording.
Junction, right?